How to generate traffic using press releases. Quick and easy free traffic generation. How to generate traffic using press releases. A smart webmaster will learn how to generate traffic using press releases. The reason is press releases are among the best ways to increase your website traffic and give your website some visibility. It doesn't matter if they never gain the interest of reporters or news agencies, a press release can still be beneficial to your site. Unfortunately, most webmasters never use them and never get to see the benefit of press releases. They feel nothing is newsworthy about their site or business, or they just don't know how to write a press release. And in reality, press releases are really easy to write. You can think of something newsworthy about your business if you really try, and then you can write a terrific press release with these tips. First off, headlines are vital to a press release. They are what makes or breaks a press release. If the headline does not attract attention, no one will read further, no matter how wonderful the remainder of the press release is. Now, if you have no ideas, what I do is take a trip down to your local library or newsstand and take a look at the headlines of some of the popular newspapers. Okay? Read through a lot of different headlines for different ideas. And once you get your headline, you want to then make certain that the opening paragraph is interesting by referring to important events without mentioning the product. Keep the body short and simple with a brief description of your product or service. Then you're going to conclude the press release by summarizing the benefits and what services your website offers. Remember, you do not want to come across as an advertisement. This is a news press release. This is a piece of news, so treat it accordingly and don't get too hypey, or else your press release will never get picked up. Now, though the concept is to promote your website, the copy should read like it was written by an unbiased third party, like it was written by a reporter. You want to put yourself in the place of a reporter who gives the who, what, when, and why behind the business. Avoid product hype and just give the facts. Next, you'll need a press release service to go ahead and distribute your press release. Many of these press release services are free, and a site like PR Web is a great place to get started, but some do charge a small fee. Now, submitting your press release is about the same as submitting an article to an article directory. It's not that hard. Now you know how to generate traffic through press releases. Why don't you go out there and give it a try and see how it works for you and your business?